friends, I Anjali welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are doing an MBA in finance, or if you are doing any kind of certification in financial management or related to finance, you should know these topics first. And first I am just sharing these topics with you so you can understand before doing your certification or MBA, right? So see, we will see one by one. First one is management of financial services. So you should know these topics, right? So define the meaning of financial services, understand the features of financial services, learn about the challenges faced by the financial services industry, illustrate the types of financial services, understand the financial system, know the structure of financial system in India, define the meaning and structure of financial markets in India, describe the capital market and money market with their respective instruments, difference between capital as well as money markets and other forms of financial markets, NBFCs under severe pressure, liquidity, slipping and sliding, what's hot, panic or Dalal Street Bank and NBFC, huge sell of power breakfast. Define the meaning of depository, understand the need to have depository system, demonstrate how depository system works, analyze information about various participants of depository system, evaluate the kind of regulators applicable on the depository in India. Understand what mutual funds are, understand how these funds work, demonstrate what type of funds are available in the market, analyze the advantages and disadvantages of investing in mutual funds, evaluate how to pick the right scheme, discuss who regulates the mutual fund industry in India, define the goal scenario in mutual fund industry, examine what an investor must know before investing in mutual funds. So you should know these topics thoroughly. By heart you should know. Then you should know, define the meaning of credit rating agency, discuss the history and origin of CRA, that is credit rating agency in world economy, state what is being rated by CRA, illustrate the functions performed by CRA, elaborate the process of credit rating, list the beneficiary of credit rating, measure the beneficiaries of credit rating, explain the limitation of CRA, discuss the credit rating agency in India. Then recall what a merchant bank is. What a merchant bank is, understand the function performed by merchant banks, understand how merchant bank is different from commercial banks, evaluate the kind of regulations applicable on the functions of merchant banking in India. Then understand the meaning of venture capital, explain the features of venture capital, discuss the various modes of investment in new venture, analyze the steps followed in the process of investment by venture capital, explain how venture capital funds are established in India. Then mutual fund, then Cred Avenue example, Edelweiss fund example, understand the process and parties involved in the securitization, discuss the features securitization, explain the regulation of securitization of debt, understand the guidelines of securitization as per in Act 2002, understand the meaning of insurance and types of risk for which insurance can be done, elucidate on the origin and growth of insurance in India, list the various regulations related to insurance in India, understand how the mechanism and machinery of the insurance system works, understand the essential and type of insurance, understand the concept of banca insurance, then understand various retail banking and wholesale banking products and services, discuss the scope of para banking activities, explain the scope of service provided by non-banking financial companies, then learn venture capital registration and options.